Are you from Bangladesh?
Yes, I am from Bangladesh. What about you? Which country are you from?
I'm from Colombia. Do you know something about Colombia?
Yeah, definitely. I do know about the Colombia because I have met Colombian people before, and I have seen lots of videos about Colombia. Colombia is a great
Oh,
country.
yeah, it's in South America.
Yeah.
What do you do for
Uh,
living? You study, you work
yes, I have recently completed my study, and currently I got a job luckily, and I'm doing a job at a hospital.
at a hospital. Cool.
Yeah. What about you? What do you do for a living?
Currently, I'm working as a software developer.
Where do you working? Would you repeat it again, please? Because I did not get you
Yeah,
properly.
software developer. It's like computer science.
Wow, computer science. Wow, that's good.
Yeah, I
So,
work at
but
home.
wow, you working
Yeah,
from your home.
yeah,
Wow,
remote.
okay, that's good. It's a great job. I would say it's a great job.
Yeah, it's cool.
It's very cool.
And what do you do in your free time? Like hobbies?
Most of the time, I prefer to do study because still I'm doing
Yeah,
study in order to getting my higher study. I'm preparing myself for IELTS exam. At the same time, I would love to spend my time with the strangers because I wanna have different kind of information and knowledge all over the world from all over the world. So
yeah.
that's why I often love to meet strangers, different countries, people, different types of peoples, and this is becoming my one kind of very famous hobby. And whenever I get free time, I would love to talk new people.
Yeah, I also don't have so much free time. I study a lot and work.
Yeah. So, do you play? Like, do you have any favorite sports that you do in your leisure time?
Sports. Sometimes I like to play soccer, but I am more of watching it on TV.
Yeah, according to me, in my case as well, I spent my very much valuable time when I was like childhood, when I was
Hmm.
younger than now. At that time, I
Yeah,
spent my more valuable time to playing soccer, cricket, which is very famous sports in my Bangladesh, in my country. I spent
yeah,
my lots of valuable time there, you know. But currently, I'm
cool.
thinking that I should not spend my valuable time to playing game and killing my time and all that. So nowadays, in my leisure time, I do prefer to studying and
It's cool.
yeah, and gathering information,
Yeah,
pushing
to prepare
myself
yourself.
into the next level each and every day. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, for me it's similar because nowadays it's difficult to have a lot of free time,
Yeah.
and I have to. I usually prefer to study more, practice more. But yeah, it's cool. And do you have ever played video game? Do you like a video game?
Yeah, definitely. When I was younger than now, probably three to
Yeah.
4 years back, I was
Hmm.
like killed my lots of time with playing video games and like doing fun, moving with my friends, and I was doing these kind of things. But currently, I'm doing a job. I'm doing study. I am
Uh-huh.
practicing. I am trying to pushing myself into the next level all the time and gathering informations and all of those things. And actually, I don't have that much time to like killing my time to playing video games or doing
Yeah.
somewhere else and all of those things. Yeah, already you have mentioned something that nowadays having free time is very difficult because we are
Yeah.
very
Very difficult.
yeah, we're becoming so busy because of our
So
work. We are
busy.
growing day by day. Yeah.
Yeah. How do you um think about yourself in the future? Like in 1, 2 years, what would you like to do?
In probably next year, I wanna see myself in a different country because I'm preparing myself to
Yeah,
get my higher study in abroad country, and
it's cool.
probably I wanna see myself there, and that would be fine. But if I can do that, then I will try to decide something else, which would be better for my future as well. But I have to decide it. But I have a
Mhm.
little bit planned as well. But I don't wanna express these things. Yeah, as well.
Yeah, it's cool. I will also in 1 2 years would like to visit other countries like United States, Spain, and other countries in Europe. It's cool
Yeah. So,
to visit different
what do
places.
you want to be, and which position do you want to see yourself after years later? Same question for you.
Um, okay, in some years I would like to have a better position in my job. I'm currently